2019 Mustang GT. Like I said, quick walk around, just tell y'all what I did to it, what I'm gonna do to it. Trying to see if I can sub me a little car channel, whatever. All right, so let's get with the car. So with the front, well, let me just give you a whole overview of the car itself first. Like I said, it's 2019 Mustang GT 10-speed with the 10R80 transmission. You know, the 3rd gen Coyote motor, 302. It's the leader. For 302, the cubic inches, I'm sorry. 5.0 the liters. And like I said, a quick little walk around just to show you real quick. Like I said, to tell you what the car is, what the car has. It's the base model. I didn't get the premium GT. It's just the base model. This is actually the first car I bought brand new in my name and everything, which is pretty cool. I previously owned 3 other Mustangs before this one. I owned a 2001 GT. I owned a 2004 GT, which was a convertible. I owned a 2016 GT, and now I got me a 2019. I bought this last year. I want to say in October. So, yeah. It's kind of dirty right now. I mean, it's been raining in Louisiana every day, so I mean, it's kind of hard to keep them clean. But anyways, from the front, I have a splitter. Can't think of the name of the splitter. Can't remember where I bought it from. It's going to change that eventually. I'm not really too happy about it. I mean, it works, but kind of looking for a more of an aggressive splitter than this. I blacked out the amber turn signals, and I trimmed it so the fog light could show. I blacked out my amber reflectors in here. I bought this together. These wheels came off of my 2016 Mustang GT, so I'll post a picture here. So I got those wheels for that, and I just swapped them over. I lowered the car, I want to say, I believe it's 1 inch up front and 1.5 in the back, or vice versa. It's Eibach, the Pro-Kit. Didn't go with the sport lines, went with the Pro-Kit because I live in Louisiana, and I'm like 5 minutes away from New Orleans. I'm often in New Orleans, and if y'all been to New Orleans before, y'all know our streets are really trash. So I went with the the Pro-Kit, because like I said, I didn't want to lower it too much because our streets are trash. But then again, at the same time, I'm like, I probably should have got it. But it is what it is. Onto the rear, I have a carbon fiber spoiler from Trufiber. This is real carbon fiber. None of that imitation crap. It's a real deal. Real deal. Eventually, I am going to get some Euro tail lights, the clear ones. Don't know if I'm going smoked or not, but I'm definitely going Euro. The exhaust is just an MBRP 3-inch catback. It's the race. No muffler. All it has is a resonator, which is right there in this little tube right here is the resonator. Eventually, I will be getting some cat deletes. I'm not going full long tube headers. Just gonna do the cat deletes, which will eventually put me at a full 3-inch exhaust. So pretty excited about that. That should be coming soon. I definitely be having a video of that. And that's pretty much the car. Like I said, the wheels are 20s. They are 20 by 10s, and they do have that concave look. That's the look I was going for. I might powder coat these wheels eventually, because on the red Mustang, the color matched perfectly. The dark color, dark red. But on this, I don't know, it just doesn't really does it for me. I think I'm gonna need to go with a lighter color wheel. So if I can get like a brushed aluminum look, that'll set it off. That'll set it off. So yeah, like I was saying, the wheels are 20 by 10s, 20 inches in diameter, 10 inches wide, all 4 corners. But I did stagger the tires. In the front, 275s. In the back's 285s. Sidewall profile is all the same. So that's pretty much that. Like I said, probably be posting more videos about this car when I do more stuff to it. But this is pretty much it. This is how it stands. Oh yeah. Plastic dip my GT emblem. Shh, don't tell nobody. And eventually, I am going to get the deck lid where it removes the GT, you know, entirely. And I did plastic dip the front pony, which is, it came out okay. Then I started hitting shit like bugs, and it kind of just took it off. So eventually, I'm gonna strip that, redo it over, and then eventually after that, I'm gonna give me a different grill where it pretty much deletes the entire grill. It'll be a whole grill delete, top and bottom. So that's pretty much that. I am part of the Head Turners car club down in New Orleans, NOLA HT. We have some pretty good cars in the club. I mean, we definitely turn heads, breaking necks, all that good stuff. But that's pretty much it. The car is all stock, besides the exhaust, like I said. It is tuned by Lund. It's hot out here, man. Shit. I only have the 93 tune. I bought the 93 tune, the Flex tune, which runs E85, and you can run pump gas. And I have the dedicated E85 R tune, which I have yet to do. I have yet to put any E85 in this car yet because I'm waiting to get my cat deletes on. Once I get my cat deletes on, I can send them one revision, so I don't have to send multiple revisions. If I do the cat deletes now, I'm gonna send them a revision, and then once I put E85 on, I'm gonna send them a revision. So I'm just waiting to get everything set up first, and then I'll send them everything. It's pretty much the car. You know, it's pretty much it. I'm going for, I want it to look nice, and I'm also about racing. You know, I'm about that fast life. I like racing. Been liking racing since I can remember. So that's pretty much it. Oh, if y'all was wondering what the color's called, the color's called from Ford. The color is Orange Fury. That's what they call it. And the stripe is factory. I didn't put the stripe on. I bought the stripe like that. I bought the car striped already. And if you look close, this actually has orange flakes and orange metallic flakes. A lot of people didn't know that until you get real close. I mean, from far you can't really tell, but once you get up close, you can see the flakes. Especially when it's clean. Like I said, right now it's filthy. It's dirty. Nothing to really show in the interior. First of all, it's dirty. Something I want to show y'all that just yet anyway. But it's just basic cloth seats. You know, nothing really, you know, magical in there. But yeah, that's pretty much the car. And like I said, I should be posting more videos about it. Hopefully I should be getting my cat delete soon, which should add some power. And the E85, which should also add some power. And that's pretty much it. Eventually I am gonna give it a cold start. But as of right now, I mean, I've been driving it already, so no cold start. All right, y'all, tell me what y'all think. Is it a hit or is it a miss? Y'all Mustang fans? Mopar fans, Chevy fans, what's up? I like all cars. They look nice. It's nice. All right, y'all. Be cool.